Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, coming with mud flaps on the front and rear. But let's take a look inside. Tough cargo cover here, underneath of which you have your spare tire with some extra room for other stuff. You have a 12-volt power outlet here, as well as these little mounting points with lassos on them, and you have your sort of cargo lights that can be articulated to point where you need it. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders here in the middle, as well as having a USB and USB-C down there. And on the backs of the seats you have zippered pockets with molly rigging so you can hook equipment and stuff onto there. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can look at your digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, your now playing, phone controls, information, and your trip information. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down, you have your media controls, your hazards, and then your auto start stop shut off. Moving down below that, you have this little cubby here. Then you have your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay cozy. Down below that, you have a cubby here with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector. So you have normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.